Hi guys, my name is Jennifer Farley and this is Photoshop Bootcamp. So let's start again by choosing our crop tool, either by clicking it on the toolbar or hit C on the keyboard. I'll bring my mouse over one of the corner points, it doesn't matter which one, and I'm going to drag so that I get a nice straight horizon. What happens is as we turn it, it attempts to keep the image within a certain boundary, but it's cutting off quite a bit of the image. So I'm going to bring this out a little bit, and this one here as well. But you can see what the problem is going to be now. We're going to have a black area here, a black area here, here and here. What Photoshop is going to do for us, it's going to fill in those areas using the Content Aware tool, and it's going to attempt to match up the sky and the grass and the different parts of the image. So in order to make that happen, we need to click on this option here, which is the Content Aware Fill areas outside the original image. So let's just click on that and then hit Commit or Enter or Return on the keyboard. Photoshop has a little think about that and then fills in the area. And I would say if you hadn't seen this photograph before, you would never know that that wasn't the way it was to begin with. And it does an amazing job of filling in the areas that would otherwise have been a background color. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to the Photoshop Bootcamp channel. Thanks a million. Bye.